Greetings. Now, what does the sound of decent Viking boots or shoes sound like on a wooden floor? Let me demonstrate this in my kitchen. So here you can see my shoes. You've got my Viking trousers on. You can hear the sound of my boots, especially if I stump up and down, because my boots have metal studs on the bottom, little pins, which will save your boots and make them last a long time. And of course, this was something that was done throughout history, even to the modern world. Modern soldiers always have metal studs on the boots, and I just love the sound, especially when you got a load of you marching on a road. You can hear it and it really sounds brilliant. So there you go, that's the sound of what authentic shoes could sound like. And yes, I'm in my kitchen, it's not authentic, but it gives you that impression.